We are a family. We are a community.
We're a school system that wants to reach every child, wants every child to grow to their full potential.
And the ball's going to fall down through that hole and pop a balloon.
Where's the roller? Education to me is where an individual like myself can inspire others to learn and to succeed.
Parents in this room are here because they expect excellence from their schools.
We are
Chase Crossing!
We are proud.
We are Bumpet!
We are creative.
We are Greystone!
We are energetic.
We have kids who are very talented, very creative.
They strike a good balance of every child that's here.
Hoover's done a fabulous job in providing us with opportunities to explore new technologies.
We're using Nooks
to read books. Welcome to Rocky Ridge!
We strive to reach and teach every learner.
We are Hoover High School! And to the public for which it stands.
We are
Green Valley!
We are dedicated to providing a safe learning environment. We are interested in building a strong relationship with students and staff.
Hoover City Schools is one big team with lots of little teams, all working for the same goal.
Berry Middle School may help you.
We are
South Chase Crest! We are Hoover! We are Green Elementary!
Student achievement and high-performing schools make Hoover the great community that it is and a very desirable place to live and raise your family.
We are River Chase!
Character is so important to Hoover City Schools.
a very, very good point.
And that it is the foundation upon which all the lessons, everything else that you learn in life and in the classroom is based.
I'm programming. We've got robots they can learn with as far as incorporating math, engineering.
Levers, inclined planes.
We foster not only pen and paper or computer ideas, but we foster hands-on learning.
We are State High School! We are Berry Middle School!
Crossroads. Today's learner has to be up and active and involved and engaged.
We raised caterpillars.
Bella, sit. Well, happy Thursday.
The only one in the entire nation who has achieved all three of these recognitions.
What would that be?
Reading, writing, arithmetic.
All on our launch pad.
We learn it so quick. And these have grown a lot. 4 inches and a half. So cool. We are Chase Mountain!
Students need a lot of things to grow. Love, nurturing, a good environment. They need all these things to work together to grow and be our future leaders.
We are
Hoover City Schools.